So we are here on the site of what will be the Arden Apartments. It is located on Huntington Avenue, and it is only about 800 yards from the Huntington Metro. So we really worked on how do we keep people safe so that we could actually do a live groundbreaking during this time of pandemic. So one of the things that we are doing is we have extensive signage about keeping social distance. Our chairs are all 6 feet apart. We have hand sanitizer available. Masks are mandatory. And because it's a construction site, so are vests and hard hats. I will be putting mine on when we're finished. Details about the property include the fact that it will be 126 units of affordable housing. We have income ranges from 30% of the area median income up to 70% of the area median income. So it actually will be mixed income, but all affordable. The other nice thing about this is Wesley Housing will be relocating our headquarters here as part of the project.
The Mount Vernon community is the oldest community in Fairfax County, and as a result of that, we are now undergoing a revitalization. Lots of changes, new businesses, new residences, and the folks who have lived here for a long time, generations, we need to make sure that they can stay here and live here and be part of the community as we change. We don't want to leave anybody behind, and housing like this, affordable housing like this, gives us that opportunity. Fairfax County has really a desperate need for more affordable housing. We've been growing rapidly. More than 1 million folks live here, and the housing stock that we have has not kept up with the number of people who live in here, but particularly has not kept up for the folks who live here and are key parts of our infrastructure, whether they be shopkeepers or clerks, teachers or firefighters or police officers. We have to have housing so that they can live, work, and play here.
So people can go to the following website, livethearden.com, for updates through the construction period and for lease-up information when we start putting that on the website in 2022. We're actually already taking names right now.